Country of origin: China. The package height of the product is 1.38 inches. The package length of the product is 3.57 inches. The package width of the product is 1.96 inches. Established in 1919 and traded on the NYSE, Standard Motor Products, Inc. SMP, as a leading independent manufacturer, distributor, and marketer of replacement parts for motor vehicles in the automotive aftermarket industry, with a complementary focus on heavy-duty, industrial equipment and original equipment markets. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect in every way. What a great item, came fast, worked perfectly, could not have had a better experience, would definitely buy from the supplier again.